Hello, let's start with the measurements. I will try to integrate slate stone tiles into the pot. In this video, I will specifically show you how to make the pot wall with stone. If you want to see the entire pot making process, there will be a link at the end of the video. It took me the most time to figure out how to install the stone in the wood. Since the tiles are thin, I decided to mill the grooves and then connect them. I didn't have a router of the right thickness, so I had to use a narrower one to spread them several times. The tiles were a bit too long, so I had to cut the edge and hammer it so they would all be the same structure. I didn't want to make a mistake with the measurement, so I cut all the markings a little bit less so that I could correct them if necessary. I think it turned out pretty well. If you want to see the entire pot making process, I'll put a link at the end of the video. Or go to my channel and you'll find the one uploaded before this video. I apologize for the video quality. If there will be bigger interest, I will make high quality ones in the future. My camera is broken at the moment, so I had to fill it with my phone. I hope video was useful. Please like it, and you are welcome to ask questions about Planner. Press video at the end, there will be tutorial how to make all Planner.